Students, here we are going to see one of the enthalpy, that is enthalpy of chemical reaction under thermochemistry. Actually, thermochemistry deals with the enthalpy changes that take place during the chemical reactions. So what is actually thermochemistry? It deals with enthalpy changes in chemical reactions. Now let us see the first one, that is enthalpy of chemical reaction. So the first one is enthalpy of chemical reaction. We represent this as delta, then you put a small r here and then H. So this is enthalpy of reaction. Now to understand this, let us consider an equation in general. So the reaction what I'll consider is A plus B goes to C plus D. Now students, here the capital A, B, C, D, they are the reactants, and those two they are the products, while the small a, b, c, d, they represent the stoichiometric coefficient, means then they are the moles of the reactants and the products. Now how to calculate this? So the enthalpy change for the reaction, this will be equal to the enthalpy of products minus enthalpies of reactants. Now if you see the reaction, there are two products and two reactants. So how I will write this? This will be delta R, that is the enthalpy of chemical reaction, is equal to, it will be the enthalpy of products. So how you will write this? Those number of moles, they are very important. So it will be C times the enthalpy of C plus D times the enthalpy of D minus A times the enthalpy of A plus B times the enthalpy of B. Here the capital H, what I have indicated, they all are the molar enthalpies of A, B, C and D. Now it is very difficult to write like this. So let us see what will be the formula. So the formula is enthalpy of the chemical reaction is equal to the summation of the enthalpies of all the products minus the enthalpy summation of all the reactants. So this is the formula. For understanding this, let us take an example. Say for the example, we are taking the example of formation of carbon dioxide. So example what it can be is formation of carbon dioxide. So what will be the reaction? If it is formation, means it will be C plus O2 giving CO2. This is solid, gas and gas. It's very important that you should balance the equation first. This equation is already balanced. So what will be the enthalpy for the reaction here? Will be enthalpy of carbon dioxide. There is only one product. So it will be enthalpy of the product. Here it will be one time. So this is only the product minus enthalpy of carbon plus enthalpy of that of oxygen. So in this way you have to arrange. Students, whenever the enthalpy of any substance in its free elemental state is always 0, so that will be seen in coming videos. So this is what is actually the enthalpy of chemical reaction. If I see the formula here, what sign I have used here is this, and this indicates that it is the difference. So how I will define enthalpy of chemical reaction? So what will be the definition? So for definition, it is the enthalpy of a chemical reaction. It is the difference between the sum of enthalpies of products to that of reactants with each substance in definite physical state and their amounts. What I mean by amount is moles being represented by the coefficients in the balanced equation of the reaction. So this is what is the definition. It is the difference between the sum of the enthalpies of the products to that of the reactant with each substance in definite physical state and their amounts or the mole being represented by the stoichiometric coefficients. Means students, it's very important that you must balance the equation before going for the calculation. Let us take one more example here. So the simple example what you can have is the combustion of methane. So combustion of methane O2 gives carbon dioxide plus water. Now why I selected this example? So that we can balance this and then you can write the particular calculation in the form of the equation. So let us balance the equation. After balancing the equation, you will get 2 here and 2 here. 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen and 4 oxygen. So this equation is balanced. Now how you will write this is equal to, now it will be 1 times the enthalpy of, so it will be enthalpy of carbon dioxide plus the enthalpy of water. Now here it is 2, so it will be 2 times, so this is the product side, minus, it will be enthalpy of methane, it's 1 time, so it will be 1 here, plus the enthalpy of oxygen, so it is 2 times here. So this is how you have to form the formula. So this is all about the enthalpy of chemical reaction. It is simply the difference between the total enthalpies of the products to that of total enthalpies of the reactant. But for that, the reaction must be balanced. I hope you have understood what is enthalpy of chemical reaction. So please do like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.